Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another Super Tarts haul. I feel like I'm doing a Super Tarts haul every other week or week. I think I did miss the, I don't think there's anything I needed from the floral apple. What was it? Floral apple and something else. None of the scents were things that I needed or that were in my, like, I need these if they come back out list. So yeah. And I think she did the ready to ship with that as well. And there was, you know, again, it was kind of the same thing. So I didn't really need anything out of that. So, which is good. Okay, so this is from the ready to ship that she did, like the blending donuts and the cookies and then some scents that people were asking for, which pretty much everyone asked for the entire scent list. So I was laughing at that post. I don't know why. Okay, so the first thing I have is City Mall, which is the sample. I don't know the exact scent description, but I think it's supposed to be like Orange Julius. It's supposed to be like, I think it's the scent description says something like the orange smoothie place at the mall or something like that. I don't remember. You know, in my mind, it's effed unless I can like write it down. And actually, you know what? I would never consider getting this one, but actually smelling it now, I'm like, ooh, this actually is a really soft, creamy orange scent. It's nice rather than just an orange bakery. It's like a creamy, smooth orange. I like that actually. That's one I would not consider buying, but I might now if it comes up at some point. Okay, so my whole reason for this order, and if you guys follow me on Facebook and you guys see me post everywhere like a crazy woman about this scent, then you'll understand. I even like wanted to throat punch myself. I was like, come on. You know how people say like DISO or, you know, it's like, well, how desperate are you? Like, are you willing to give up your kidney or what are we talking here? So anyways, but Buffy. So it's Rosemary Mint lemonade is pretty much what it is. Super simple blend. Like there's nothing super crazy special about this, but whoops. For some reason, I warmed it for one of my melting baskets a couple months ago and I freaking fell in love with it. And it's just that Rosemary Mint lemonade. I mean, there's nothing really spectacular about this. I just love it. So yeah, I mean, if you like rosemary mint, you like lemonade, that's one for you to try. So I did grab, I did grab 3 the first go around, and I didn't realize she was talking about having limits, and if I had known that that was going to be an issue, I would have only grabbed 2 and then, you know, called it. But I grabbed 3 and then I waited 30 minutes or so and then I grabbed another one. So I grabbed 4 total. I mean, it's basically the equivalent of, what would that be? Would that almost be a BAM bag? So yeah, that's what I did. And I think, oh, actually no, then I felt okay because she said 5 was the limit. So I did 3 my first go. I waited 30 minutes. So if people wanted it or were going to grab it, they had their chance at it. And then I went back in after 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm stocked up on Buffy. Probably by the time I get through Buffy, I'll be sick of it or whatever. So the next one I grabbed is Anastasia. Is it Anastasia in the movie? I can't remember how they pronounce it. Anyways, Anastasia. This is Plum English Breakfast Tea and Powdered Sugar. Now, I reviewed this one a long time ago. I love the label on this. That's super cute. I reviewed this a while ago and I did not like it. Plum scents for me were a big no-go and now they're like a yes. And I like this. I don't know why I didn't like this before, but now I do. It's a soft plum. And I feel like the powdered sugar really brings like that plum and that tea down. Because it's not a heavy tea scent. It's more of like a sugared plum with a tea, but it's toned down. The next one I grabbed is Alice, and I don't think I've had this one in a while. I love fizzy pop scents. I like her fizzy pop scents a lot actually. So this is Apricot and Raspberry. And this is just fruity, fun, fizzy, like Alice, really. You know how Alice in Twilight is just kind of like hoppy, like she reminds me of a little rabbit. Like she's always hopping around, super happy. So that's how I would describe the scent. It's girly. It's just a good, fresh, like feel-good scent. Next one I have is new to me, and I had never heard of this one before. I had missed some of the announcements of like new scents, so I think I missed this one. This is Sweet Pea, Peach, Cherry Blossom, White Jasmine, Green Apple. I feel like this might be something I should know, like a scent that's maybe like a dupe of something, or I don't know, but you know what? Wait a second. I didn't smell it before, but I smell Love Spell in here. I smell a little hint of Love Spell and that's interesting. I wonder what the scent notes for Love Spell would be. Shoot, I'm gonna look. I'll be right back. Okay, we have a winner, folks. So this is Peach. So from what I can tell off of Google, it says Love Spell from Victoria's Secret is a combination of peach, cherry blossom, white jasmine. And then if you go down a little bit further, there's a little bit more that says that it has apple and it says top notes of apple. So maybe this is Love Spell mixed with Sweet Pea, or maybe there's something else in there that makes it a little bit different than Love Spell. But I smelled this and I'm like, this smells so familiar. Oh my gosh, I feel like I got duped. When I smelled this the other day, I was like, ooh, this smells good. And yeah, it's basically Love Spell. Okay, well then. I was like, oh, this is so good. Oh goodness. Okay, Laundry for Days, which is laundry, laundry, laundry. And I heard from a friend that this is all of her laundries mixed together, but I don't know, like, I didn't ask specifically. I said, well, I mean, is it every single laundry oil, like, thrown in there, or what's the sitch? So, whoa, all right. Okay, so I smell, I'm trying to think of the one, what is the laundry scent that has the, is it Mama's Family that has, like, the lemon curd and the, she's got so many. That's what I really smell, is I smell like a candy laundry. Does anyone else get that? Okay, if you have, geez. If you have ordered this one, let me know what you smell, which laundry scent you smell in there, because I'm smelling a candy laundry, or what smells like candied laundry. It reminds me of, what is that one that she does? Can't remember. All right, so some of the cookies I grabbed, I don't know what that black thing is in there. I think it's in the cookie. So this is Sugar Cookie in her cookie shape, which is adorable. So her cookie is pretty good. It's not my favorite cookie, but you know, it doesn't hurt to have a blender of cookie around. Like, you know, it just, cookie's always a staple to have. Let's see. Oh, this is super cute. I love how she did this with the pink hearts on top. So this is Amazing Grace. I don't have scent notes for Amazing Grace, but it's the Philosophy type. And that was my signature scent for a long time. It smells pretty close. It smells pretty darn close, but I don't think it's an exact. I can't really say that 100% because when you put lotions and perfumes on your body, they take on a different scent. So Amazing Grace to me is probably going to smell different on everyone, you know, everyone. It smells pretty close. I like it. It's definitely a perfume type scent, but it's very soft. It's not gonna give you a headache, I don't think. I don't think it would give most people any sort of headache. Okay, I did grab 2 of those, so I'll just show you the other one. It's exactly the same, like same color, same stuff. I know some of her things have variations, like her clamshells have had like varying colors in them. So let's move down. You can see my peach waffle cone back there is not doing good. I think I need to cotton ball it. You can see it's barely like lit up back there. Driftwood. So I wanted to get Driftwood because she has a lot of blends with Driftwood, and I never know exactly what Driftwood smells like. But as soon as I smelled this one, I was like, holy crap, this is what I've been smelling in some of her blends. Oh my gosh, Driftwood smells so good on its own. See, now I can't think of offhand some of the clamshells I've had in the past that I was like, ooh, that smells amazing. Like, I don't know what that is. But now I can smell Driftwood and I'm like, you know what? This, oh my gosh, okay. This is totally reminding me of, is it Mr. Myers? It kind of has that similar note as Mr. Myers does. Oh man, that's good. That's what it's kind of reminding me of. Okay. Although I don't know if there's Driftwood in Mr. Myers. Like, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think of the scent notes of Mr. Myers, but yeah. Okay, let's just keep going. I could think about this all day. Vanilla Sandalwood. This is a donut. Looks like a Krispy Kreme, right? Like, super cute. This one is very light. It's very vanilla. That's all I'm really getting from this one. I'm not really getting a lot of sandalwood, which is a little bit disappointing. I was hoping that this would be a little bit more of like a strong sandalwood with a strong vanilla. So I don't know what's going on, because usually her stuff is very strong for me. So I don't really know what is up with that. Okay, and the last one I got is just flat out Rosemary Mint. I don't know that I've ever had a Rosemary Mint by itself, so I grabbed this pretty donut. And this is more of, I've had sweeter rosemary mints. This is like a true, this definitely has that nose clearing mint going on. Yeah, this is not my favorite rosemary mint, but I do like it. I like the softer, sweeter rosemary mints. So that is my Super Tarts order. Super small. Well, I mean, as I said the other day, it's adding up as I keep ordering and whatnot. So yeah. So if anyone has tried Laundry for Days, let me know what you think of that one, what you're smelling in there. And my camera is super janky right now. Anyways, this is a hot mess, but whatever. All right, you guys have a great day. And today it's Friday here, so I hope everyone has a great weekend. And I will see you guys again soon. Okay, bye guys.